Hey, I'm Sarah. I was just sent this professional grooming vacuum kit for my pet. And I've got my dog here, which I have to groom them all the time, and it ends up with hair everywhere. So in this kit, I'm going to show you, and then we will try it out on my little pup. So in the package here, we have the actual vacuum kit, and this has a really long cord, which that is so nice when you're working with pets because sometimes the noise can bother them. So being able to set this further away is a nice feature. And then we have our vacuum hose as well that just attaches in on the front. So we have our little vacuum hose and we just push in this little button and that just clips right in. And then we have all of our tools that come with it too. And it also includes an extra filter. So that is awesome. I love it when extra things like that get included. You also have an instruction guide. But in here you have your nozzle just for cleaning up afterwards if you did have any mess or the dogs have shed all over, cats, whatever. This kind of uses as like a vacuum tool. And then inside this box, we have all of our extra tools. So in here we have our grooming handle, and this is what will be used for all of our attachments on the top. And this just has a little notch right there that lines up with this one. So then you just put that on there and it just locks right into place. And then we have our extra handle, we have our extra attachments on here. So this one is our grooming brush. So it's got the little edges here. So then that would just clip inside this. So again, you just line up your spots and then it clips in. And then our next piece here, this is our de-shedding brush. And then we have our cleaning brush in here. And this will be our trimmers. And this comes with two separate clipping combs. One's a 9mm and a 3mm. So that allows you to clip at different heights here. And they're both on different sides. So you can flip it over. The 9mm would also have 12. And then the 3mm also has a 6mm edging on there. And here's your actual electric trimmers that also hooks on. So then all of the hair would then get sucked into your vacuum. All right, so I've got my dog here and we are gonna try this out. So on the top of the machine here, you have your speed and then your power button. And then to take this off, it is super easy. All you've got to do is just lift up and this comes out. There's your extra filter here. And then you can just easily clean it out by lifting this little tab up. So very simple to use machine. And then it just clicks right back into place. Okay, so let's get it on. I've got my trimmers here and I'm going to slide on one of my clips and that just clips right on. And this can either be used independently. We just hold it down and it counts down, or you can use it with the vacuum. And this also has different speeds. And that's pretty quiet machine there. So there's your 3 separate speeds. We'll just keep it on the lower speed here. And you can see the hair already going in the machine. So that cuts really easy and it really doesn't seem to be bothering him. And then to turn this back off, we just hold down on the button and then it'll turn back off. So now that is off. We'll turn off our vacuum and that's the hair it already collected. And then we push down on this and then we can remove off this and we will try one of these other blades. So again, we just line up the little notches, click that on. So this is just taking out some of that extra hair and de-shedding them. And the really neat thing about this brush is that when it has the hair in there, you can actually press this down button down below and it retracts it in and then it sucks that hair back in there. And this button on the top would then remove your head and then you can get a different one. It has a little charging cord here so you can just use this separately and charge this up. And it is a full kit to groom your pet.